1. You wake up to the sound of your alarm clock, feeling groggy and sore. Every morning, it's the same. You shuffle to the mirror, your joints creak, and you notice something strange. 2. Your body isn't the same anymore. 3. There was a time when you could run, jump, and tackle any challenge, but now. 4. Now it feels like you're slowly losing control. 5. What happened? 6. It's not just age, it's something worse. 7. Muscles are disappearing without you even realizing it. 8. But here's the shocking part. You can fight it, and it all begins with one food. You're not alone in this. Millions feel exactly the same way, silently battling the fear of aging and weakness. It's that nagging feeling every time you bend down to pick something up and feel the strain. Every time you climb a staircase and you feel winded. But this isn't just a feeling. This is muscle loss, and it's happening to all of us, especially as we get older. We don't talk about it enough, but this is sarcopenia, age-related muscle loss. It begins quietly. You don't notice it at first, but slowly you become weaker. Your muscles shrink, your strength fades, until one day it hits hard. And the scariest part is, it's not just about getting older. It's about neglect. What if I told you this doesn't have to be your story? What if the key to reversing it is sitting in your kitchen right now? After 30, muscle loss begins at a rate of about 5% every decade, and it accelerates as you age. But here's the catch. It's not inevitable. The reason why you're starting to feel weaker isn't just time. It's the lack of proper fuel. Your muscles need more than just calories. They need complete protein, the right amino acids to rebuild, repair, and protect them. And without it, your body breaks down muscle for energy. The result? You lose strength, your posture weakens, and you can no longer do the things you once loved. So why isn't anyone talking about this? Why don't people know that muscle loss doesn't happen because of age? It happens because we stop feeding our bodies the right things. Here's where the story turns. Imagine you could reverse that weakness. Imagine feeling strong, energized, and like yourself again. The key? Protein. Not just any protein, but complete protein that contains all 9 essential amino acids. Foods like eggs, full of high-quality protein. Salmon, packed with healthy fats and protein that supports muscle health. Chicken, a staple that delivers a high amount of protein to fuel your body. Greek yogurt, perfect for a snack that supports recovery. And it doesn't stop there. You need more than just food. You need movement. Your muscles can't grow without resistance. Start by lifting weights or even doing body weight exercises. These little steps are the battlefront where muscle loss is stopped in its tracks. Meet Susan. She was 64 years old when she noticed it. Her knees were stiff, her shoulders ached, and she couldn't even lift a grocery bag without pain. She felt old. But then Susan decided to take control. She didn't run to pills or expensive treatments. She made simple changes. First, she started eating more protein, eggs, chicken, and protein shakes. Then, she started lifting weights, something she hadn't done in years. And guess what happened? In just 3 months, she could climb stairs without feeling winded. In 6 months, she was lifting 20-pound dumbbells. And today, at 66, Susan is stronger than she's been in years. No pain, no limitations, just energy and freedom. If Susan can do it, so can you. So what's the magic formula? It's simpler than you think. Here's your 5-step blueprint to fight aging and reclaim your strength. Eat 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight every day. Strength train 3 times a week. You don't need to be a gym pro. Start with body weight exercises or dumbbells. Sleep 7 to 8 hours every night. Your muscles repair while you sleep. Drink water, lots of it. Add vitamin D and omega-3s to your daily routine. These support muscle health and recovery. This is how you beat aging. This is how you rebuild your strength. But here's the truth. This isn't just about looking good. It's about living fully. You have one life, and you don't want to spend it feeling weak and limited. Aging doesn't have to mean weakness. It just means you have to work smarter. Every time you say, "I'm too tired," your muscles here give up. But today you fight back. You take control. You eat for strength. You move for freedom. You don't wait for your body to fall apart. You build it up, because the best version of you is still in there. It just needs you to wake it up. Here's your chance to start your comeback. If you're ready to fight aging and regain strength, then like this video if you're ready to get stronger today. Share it with someone who needs to hear this message. Subscribe for weekly tips on how to stay strong and healthy at any age. Remember, you are not broken. You are a warrior, and your strength is waiting for you. Let's do this.